Hey guys, welcome to Athena Tutorials. This is Nagashri Bharadwaj. Today let's solve the exercise 6.1. Let's look in the first problem. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? They have given some numbers like 81, 272, 799, 3853, etc. Okay, we need to find the unit digit of the square of the given number. Means we need to find the square of 81. That is 81 into 81. We will get the product, right? We need to find the unit digit of the product. To solve this, there are two ways. One is regular method and one is simple way. You use the simple way in order to solve the problem in a shorter duration. First, let's look into the simple way. The number given is 81. In simple way, we need to use only the unit digit and we need to find the square of the unit digit, that is 1 square, which will be 1 into 1. We'll get the answer as 1. So the unit digit of the square of this number will be 1. We'll get some product, but the unit digit will be 1. We need to focus only on unit digit since they have asked a question to find the unit digit of the squares of the number. Okay, in regular method is nothing but the multiplication. That is 81 into 81. So 1 ones are 1, 1 eights are 8, and 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64. So 1, 8 plus 8 is 16, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 6. So here also we got the unit digit as 1. So let's do in this method in order to solve the problem in a shorter duration. Okay, now let's look into the second problem. 272. We need to find the square of unit digit of the square of this number. Okay, the unit digit is 2. So 2 square will be 2 into 2 is equal to 4. The unit digit of the square of this number, 272 square, the unit digit will be 4. Okay, now let's look into the next problem, that is 799. What is 9 square? 9 into 9, which will be 81. So the unit digit will be 1. The unit digit of square of 799 will be 1. Okay, likewise, the unit digit is 3. What is 3 square? 3 into 3, which will be 9. The unit digit of the square of 3853 will be 9. So, what is 4 square? That is 4 into 4. So, it will be 16. So, hence the square, the unit digit of the square of this number will be 6. 7 square is equal to 7 into 7, 49. So, the unit digit will be 9. So, the next will be 8. What is 8 square? 64. 8 into 8 is 64. The unit digit will be 4. The square of this number will get, once we square this number, we'll get some product and the unit digit will be 4. Likewise, 0. What is 0 square? It will be 0. Hence, the unit digit of square of this number will be 0. So, what is 6 square? 6 into 6, that is 36. Hence, the unit digit of the square of this number will be 6. What is 5 square? That is 5 into 5, which will be equal to 25. Hence, the unit digit of the square of this number will be 5. So, I hope you have understood this problem. Let's go ahead with the next one. The following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. Give reasons. They have given some numbers and they are saying that they are not perfect squares and we need to give the reason for it. To solve this question, I have taught you one property in the last video. If you haven't watched my previous video, link is in the description. I recommend you to watch the basics before solving the exercise. The property says that the numbers whose unit digit is 0, 1, 4, 9, 6 or 5, then it is said to be perfect square. If the number ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, then it is not a perfect square. There is some special case for zeros. If the number ends with odd number of zeros, then it is not a perfect square. If the number ends with even number of zeros, then it is said to be perfect square. Okay, just observe the given numbers. 7, it is not a perfect square because it is not, this number is not a perfect square because it is ending with 7. When the number ends with 7, then it is not a perfect square. Likewise, 3. Okay, it is not a perfect square. There are 3 zeros, means it is odd number of zeros, hence it is not a perfect square. 2. If the number ends with 2, if the unit digit of a number is 2, then it is not a perfect square. Okay, likewise, even this has 3 zeros, odd number of zeros, hence it is not a perfect square. And even here it has only 1 zero, that is odd number, so it is not a perfect square. So the answer for this question, what you have to write is, so the reason for this is, a perfect square always ends with 0, 1, 4, 9, 6 or 5 or even number of zeros. Since these numbers is not ending with any of these numbers, hence it is not a perfect square. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let's look into the next question. The squares of which of the following would be odd number? They have given 4 numbers. We need to find the squares of the numbers first and see whose square number would be odd number. Usually, how we will check whether the given number is even or odd by looking into its unit digit. Right? Here also we use the same method. Actually, there are 2 ways to solve this problem. One is regular multiplication method and another is property method. That is by using property. I will teach you in both the ways, but I recommend you to solve by using property since it is very easy. First, let's solve in property method. The given number is 431. In property method, we only look into the unit digit, that is 1, and find the square of the unit digit, which will be 1 into 1, the answer will be 1. Hence, the unit digit of the square of this number will be 1. 431 square, the unit digit will be 1. There's no need to worry about this number because here they have asked us to find whether the square of the number is even or odd. Okay, to check that the unit digit is sufficient. Okay, here 1 is odd number, right? Hence, the square of this number will also be odd. Now let's do in regular multiplication. 431 into 431. 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, and 1 fours are 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17. So the total will be 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1. Here also we got the unit digit as 1, which is odd. Hence the square of this number is odd. Likewise, let's solve this problem by using unit digit method. Okay, so 6 is square. 6 into 6, which will be 36. 6 is even number, hence square of this number will be even number. Okay, let's look into the next problem. So 9 square, it is 81. So 1 is odd number. Hence the square of this number will also be odd number. So 4 square, 4 into 4, which will be 16. So 6 is even number, hence square of this number will also be even number. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. So this is it for today's session. Let's meet up in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.